Okay, I wanted to address an issue that comes up once in a while with pedestrian accidents. If someone is jaywalking or violating the law by crossing the street, can they still get compensated for their injuries? The answer here, you need to understand how the apportionment works first. So in any kind of accident, there needs to be a determination of who's at fault. And that fault can go from anywhere from 100% at fault down to 0% at fault. And so the person who's jaywalking is likely to be held partially at fault. So the question then becomes, the person that hit them, were they at fault for the accident at all? Were they driving the speed limit? If they were speeding and texting on their phone, they're going to be held a portion of the fault for the accident too. So in that instance, if the person who is jaywalking, even if they were cited by the police for that, they may be 50% at fault for the accident because the other party was driving way too fast and was paying attention to their phone, and they were held to be 50% at fault for the accident. In those cases, you still have a claim, but you basically have 50% of a claim, or whatever portion was attributed to your fault. So these kind of cases, they oftentimes come down to witness statements, to the police reports, to the evidence that we can gather. Sometimes they take in a little bit extra work to change that apportionment, because even though the insurance companies and the police may think one party's at fault, if we do some extra investigation, some extra work, we can oftentimes kind of change the balance there and say, okay, now we think the driver was 75% at fault.